Welcome to Vivosun. Now I'll show you the 600 watt air-cooled light kit. This light kit comes with two bulb options, both a high pressure sodium and metal halide bulb. The 600 watt air-cooled reflector kit comes with a lot inside, but let's first take off the glass by unscrewing this side panel. Next, you can simply slide the glass off. First, we have the high pressure sodium bulb. Next, the metal halide bulb. Also included is a pair of cotton gloves. These are to protect the bulbs from your hand oils. A pair of hangers for the light, rope hangers, 75-pound capacity each, 2 of them. This is a timer to turn on and off the electricity. An electronic ballast that's dimmable. The blue protective plastic needs to be taken off for the reflective material to reflect properly. And inside we can see the diamond mylar material that's ultra high reflective and dispersive to allow the light to hit every direction. Now let's put in the super high pressure sodium high spectrum lamp. Be sure to wear your cotton gloves because your hand oils will damage the glass. Now all you have to do is screw it in. Make sure it goes in all the way. The coating at the bottom of the base of the lamp is there to protect the base and is natural. After you've turned the light on for about 5 minutes, it'll disappear. To put the glass covering back on, just slide it. And make sure to put the panel on the side back on too by screwing it in. With the glass safely on top, we can take off the cotton gloves. Now, as you can see, the 2 sides are still open. These are for attaching ducting, which is used to filter and cool the light. Using the aforementioned triangle hangers, along with the rope hangers provided, this light fixture can be hung from inside a grow tent or from a ceiling. With a ventilation kit and ballast outside, this light is a perfect addition to any growing environment.